everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we're back with another video. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you're new, we welcome you. Thank you so much for being a part of this amazing art journey with us. As you know, we like to get started right away, so here we go, guys. This is a 20 by 20 inch canvas. We're going to be doing a Dutch pour. I have made up the base color, which is the Blick Titanium White by Blickrylic, and I'm going to just go ahead and lay it all out, and then we'll introduce our layering colors to let you know what we're going to be using. I will be using my blow dryer to blow out today, and I do that just because we have different people coming all the time, new people who are new, and they may not see how it's done. Sometimes I use the blow dryer to blow it out. Sometimes I use OXO spatula. And that's pretty good. I have my stir spoon that I'm going to be using now just to kind of move around some of the paint where it wasn't quite reaching, and also get a feel for what I have here. Making sure that I feel like I have pretty much leveled out the paint, because we use a leveler to start with. Make sure that the canvas is level. We use a level to start with, but now we want to make sure that the paint is pretty evenly distributed on the canvas, so that we don't have highs and lows and paint gets overblown in certain areas. So we're just taking this through just like you would your OXO spatula or any other art tool to help level things out. Once you get a hang of this, you'll start to feel what might be appropriate in terms of amounts for you. Okay, you're looking pretty good here, and just gonna tap on our sides, make sure we have paint coming down, and using what we have on the drippings to fill in the sides. And don't forget those corners. to get those corners. All right. Well, we're looking pretty good here. All sides. So let's go ahead and take our torch and use it to pop the air bubbles. And that would be here. We also are looking for any uninvited guests. We don't welcome them to our party, but we want to make sure that we kick them out before our party begins. So, looking very carefully and closely for any debris, anything that might appear to be foreign that could interfere with the flawless outcome. So here we have it today. We're going to be using 4 colors. Let's see what that brings us. We have my Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. We have the Amsterdam Yellowish Green, Liquitex Basics Hooker Green, and Liquitex Basics Lime Green. So I'm really excited about seeing what these colors can do when they're combined together. If we have to, I'll throw in some Blick Titanium White, but at this point, that's what we have for our base, so I'm hoping that we won't need it. So let's go ahead and look at how we might put our design together today. All right. Let's try doing something from this edge here. And seeing if we can really capture some amazement. Let's go all the way over there, all the way over here. All right, that is the Permanent Blue Violet. And keep in mind, if you miss the colors, we have them listed in our description box on each of our videos. Whatever colors we use in the video, we list in the description box so you can reference it later on. Okay, this again is that yellowish green. This is one of my all-time favorites, Hooker Green. So we're going to put that down and hope that it can hook us up. Really doing a good job at that. That's what I like. And I hope it does it today. And we have the lime green. Lovely, lovely lime green. All right, getting it all in. And if I did mention it, I want to say so now. We have a 20 by 20 inch canvas that we're working with. Okay, we are going to try and get negative space in some areas and get a design that flows on this 20 by 20 inch canvas. I'm wrapping back around, which is what I call it when you go back using one of the previous colors or one or more of the previous colors, and I love, love, love Permanent Blue Violet. We are going to torch at this point, looking for any air bubbles, and once again, always looking for any foreign debris that might interfere with the outcome of our design. Okay, let's see what we can do to make something wonderful here. All right, always toughest decision to make is where to begin. So how about we start right here, center stage, and go for it. Holy smokes, unbelievably beautiful. Wow. The colors are just astonishing. Unbelievable. I love the lime green, how it is merged in with the permanent blue violet, and all of these colors actually. See a little air bubble over here. Don't really want to pop those like this and get any more, but we do have a few of them. Holy smokes. This is just wildly pretty. Okay, so here we have our little hefty plastic spatula makeup stirrer. I guess that's what it's called, I'm not sure. But they're reusable. They serve an amazing purpose for me in reaching right up under the canvas. I can go right along this underneath the undersides of the canvas and wipe the excess paint. I like to do this as soon as possible to help retain the design, to keep the paint from moving off. Even though it's going to move, we don't want it to move so rapidly that it loses the design. All right, so let's capture this and bring you in for a close-up. Wow, amazing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, my friends, we're here with our close-up on this 20 by 20 inch canvas. And yes, you got it. Look at this. 4 colors on a white base. And this is what happens when we put permanent blue violet, lime green, hooker green, and yellowish green together on a white titanium base. Honest to Pete, look at this. The richness, the beauty, just unbelievable power of these colors. And they're merging together with little bitty cells, some lacing. Not a lot of cells, again, because we didn't put in any metallics. We have one studio light on so you can see, but honestly, look at how luscious this looks. Just unbelievable. I hope it dries just like it does. It looks right now. I'm trying to turn away from the glare so you can get a glimpse of the side of this. That really, look at how close and pretty that looks. Permanent blue violet really capturing and outlining this design so well. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I am loving these 4 colors together. They really are a hit with me. Hope you like them. Let me know what you think. And until next time, oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Let us know that you are interested in being informed each and every time we have a weekly, sometimes bi-weekly video upload. So until next time, keep loving your art, and we will see you on our very next video upload. Bye now.